still be that same bright kid you used to be. But it's not who you are underneath. It's what you do that defines you.
Alright guys, let's get this thing started here. So let's take a look at Dixie. Dixie's gonna break through here today. For sure. Already closed above structure. Kind of talked about this last night as well. Dixie's for sure coming to mitigate this zone. This refined order block right here. Full mitigation will be coming from here. What does that mean? Markets are going to go down. Right? So I'm seeing this here happen. Live time. Could wait for a pullback here for Dixie. Dixie did pull back just a bit, but then kept going. So I'm looking at markets here overall. Like we talked about Wednesday, probably do the same thing here today. A lot of slow movement here, okay? Even 876 points. We've been moving back and forth. Not necessarily the most ideal conditions to be trading at all. Normally we want to see some type of movement here. There's no movement going on in markets. Trump's tweeting some crazy stuff already. I've ordered the United States. Let's see this. Yeah, this is actually fun. This actually made me laugh. Can this clown stop releasing statements? My setups are getting effed over constantly by this. Yeah, I mean, this is so funny. Look at this. When did Trump tweet that? 30 minutes ago. Literally. Trump tweet, drop. Realistically, idealistically, I wouldn't buy or sell anything right now in the market for scalping. Anything here, if you guys want to scalp, I'll give you guys a quick scalp. A quick scalp trade that I would look for is something like this. That is what I would look for. Going down to these lows. This is what I would look for sure. Okay, we want to scalp. But majority of, like this right here, is too much noise. It'll come back. It's bouncing off the standard deviation. We want to, I wouldn't want to even trade this here, but a scalp that I would take would be something like this here, just to maybe catch like a quick 400, points. But this right here is just a very bad, like, the entry would have been perfect at like 8, 9 a.m. because it mitigated this zone here. The next best entry, it's going to come like maybe around 10 a.m. like here. maybe 11 a.m. Once we get around this mitigation zone here, this is what I'm really looking at. SPX, and then for us to fall, right? Again, SPX is not moving a lot. There's just a lot of back and forth, consolidation, redistribution. So you do want to be careful here, because you know it's never a really good time to ever trade consolidation and redistribution. You don't want to be doing it. You know, it's just a lot of liquid sweeps. Like, what could happen also is market can move up, swipe liquidity, and then move down. It happens a lot when we're in consolidation and redistribution, just like it did here, here, here. So just be aware of that. You want to trade market highs and lows when you're in consolidation. If you're looking for a trade, for me personally, I don't really want to take this, just because it's not really worth it. There's no like long-term swing, right? Give me 30 seconds, guys. Dow Jones, I'm looking at kind of a mitigation here. You see that 4-hour mitigation? It actually looks more bullish than bearish. I'm just curious here, because you want to see kind of confluence here with other different pairs. I'm not seeing confluence with US 30, with the Dow, with the NAS, with NAS 100. I'm not seeing that much confluence here. I'm actually seeing higher highs being created with the previous impulse move. This looks like a complex pullback. What does that mean? Sometimes it's an indication, obviously, that we're going to be bullish here. Russell looks like it's consolidating, which is good, but the only one that looks consolidating is SPX. US 30 does look like it turned around a little bit here, but it's still bullish long term. And NAS is still way more bullish than any other pair. Interesting. Tech stocks are doing way better than the Dow. Tech stocks are doing way better than the Dow and the SPX. Interesting. Tells you where the economy is right now. We might be getting into distribution. All right, I gave you guys my ideas with the Dow. I mean, with SPX, with US 30. I would trade in between US 30 again. Like you are at a pivotal moment here with US 30. So if you are looking at US 32, I would, to be brutally honest, I really don't like how sloppy it looks. So ugly. It's like a very ugly pair. And it's mitigated already, you know? Looks like it's an order flow. Right? It'll come back here, move back down. This is what it looks like it's about to do. Not too much movement here. Thursday, not that much news. I mean, you can kind of expect that. Let's look at US, look at this here. Okay. We were in oil. Let's look at oil real quick. I just want to see this here. What did oil do yesterday? Interesting. Swipe liquidity like we talked about. We need to see how this closes. And on external structure, oil closed below. What does that mean? It means usually oil is bearish. We should see oil come down. We should see that. Very, very bearish. No news. Hopefully Trump doesn't say anything crazy. Maybe Trump said this to move the price of oil down. There's a real possibility of that. Notice that when Trump said this here, oil immediately dumped. It's not a coincidence here. Not a coincidence at all. It means Trump probably saw the price of oil and was like, yeah, we need to dump it. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so looks like you can take a look at gold here. Gold is still going to most likely short today. Yeah, gold is most likely going to short today. Look at this here. I don't like it. I really don't like where the fuck gold is at right now. Okay. So gold is stuck in this consolidation loop right now. I mean, not consolidation loop. This order flow loop. Like, what do I mean by that? It's following structure very well, which is a good thing. The one thing that I don't like about it is, again, if we look at the 4 hour here, it's broken structure downward. So it is going to sell off, right? We know it's going to most likely come to these lows. Okay, we know that. So gold is a sell today. It's just, it's having very strong pullbacks and swipes of liquidity, which I don't like. So it is a sell. I would sell this, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I would sell with some caution here. I would sell. It's a sell right now. Specifically here. Right. If you want to wait at 10 a.m. you can, but I mean, I would say, guys, this is a sell. If you guys want, I would wait till 10 a.m. 10 a.m. will give you maybe a better idea or a better entry here. But this is kind of what I'm looking for. If it comes back here, this is kind of where I would short and then execute at 10 a.m. here. If you guys would like. This is what I'm looking at. Okay. How do I dump this in the chat? That's kind of what I'm looking at here with gold, guys. Okay. Yep. So this is kind of what I'm looking at. I'll just wait here. 10 a.m. will be that reversal time period. Other than that, let's see USD CAD here. USD CAD is doing its thing, obviously. Bullish on CAD. I'm looking for a 10 a.m. pullback here in 20 minutes. USD CAD is running. Wow, this is a great trade that I gave out. Okay. I really don't want to trade GU or EU. There's too much noise. That's the problem with it. Let's look at BTC. BTC actually looks like it is broken out at least of 78. Let's look at external structure though. Yeah, you see it swiped liquidity of external structure. What does that mean? I think BTC is a short. I don't think this thing is actually going to break out the way I think it's going to break out. I think right now is the perfect short. I'm going to start selling BTC here soon. I'm going to start getting in more shorts. Stacking more small shorts in here. It looks good. Looks great, to be honest. Yeah, BTC still looks like a short. All right, guys. I've kind of already given you guys out my my thought process here with gold. Other than that, that's kind of my idea right now so far. I will start selling off here at 10 a.m. See how the reaction is. It's a good RR here. And if it's good, yeah, we'll ride it downward. As for SPX here, I think SPX is redistributing right now. I don't believe it to go that much more bullish here. I really don't, to be honest. We'll see.
We'll see, because if it starts, then obviously I'm gonna have to adjust here. I don't see it that much more bullish over this week though. I'm gonna add an alert here. Let's see what happens. I don't see it though. Just me personally, I don't see it. And volume is kind of just out of whack there, but we'll see. All right, guys. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all, and I will talk to y'all soon. Peace.